Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Classic Creator. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banner for your YouTube channel. So let's begin the video. First, you should open your Google Chrome and type as Canva login. I'm going to show you how to make a banner in Canva. After you click on Canva login, you should go to the third link. I will provide this link in the description. You can click on the description and log in easily. After this, you can log in with your Google account, Facebook, and iOS. Even if you don't have them, you can keep your email ID and password. Also, I am logging in with Google account here. When it gets login, down of sign up button, you will get an option continue. Click on that continue and the Canva will open for you. So here I have logged in with my Google account and the Canva is open. In the search box of Canva, type YouTube channel art. It means banner. After you type that, click on the option which you get. Then you will go into a new tab where you will see templates, free, paid, and pro templates. Templates means these are already made. Paid means you should pay and buy it. Pro means you should pay and rent it. Free, it's free. You will have an option create a blank YouTube channel art. I'm going to show you from that option. If you want it, you can click on any of the template and customize also. And click on the blank screen. Then this will open. I'm going to give you a small information about Canva settings. First, you will be having a blank screen. Side of that options, you will be having templates. Templates means the free one. For example, this one is for your YouTube channel. You can keep your, and this one is for music video channel. You can customize with your YouTube name and continue. Down of that, there will be an option of elements. It means without background images. For example, this running man, a girl with Eiffel Tower, and many more. Down of that, you will have an upload option. Here, you can drag pictures from your desktop and use it for your banner. Down of that, you will be having photos option. These are the photos. If you wanted to use in your banner, you can. For example, this photo. If you want to keep it as background, you can just customize it and keep. Down of that, you will have a text option. This text option means it will have three options: add a headline, add a subtitle, add a bit of body text. And you will be having many styles of text like sprinkle, sparkle. Down of that option, you will have style. These are also, this will have font and colors for free. Down of that, you will be having music. Here you can keep music. Down of that, you will be having a video option. Here you will get 15 to 20 seconds video. Even if you don't want them, you can record yourself also. For example, this bridge video. Down of that, you will be having an background option where you can click and get the background. This was the small information. So let's begin to do a banner. This is only an example, and I am going to make a banner for YouTube channel of music. In elements, I am going to search headphones. Here you will be getting many headphones, many types of headphones. If you search anything, you will get. For a YouTube music channel, I'm keeping as headphones. This is only an example how to make a banner. I am going to select this red and black color headphones. You can customize it and keep it in the middle. Then go to text and click on add a heading. In that, I'm going to keep the YouTube channel's name as musical range. You can keep your own YouTube channel's name. Then then keep it beside the headphones. Then go to add a subheading and write when are you gonna upload videos. I'm going to write upload videos on Sunday. Customize it and select which font you want to keep. I like this font, so I'm keeping it. You can keep any font. After this, go to a new tab. Go to a new tab and search as YouTube banner size. Then go to images and click on any image. I'm clicking on this image because it is correct. Then save it into your computer on desktop. Then close the tab, new tab. I will even provide this image link in the description. Then minimize your screen and drag the picture in the Canva. It will take few seconds to download. After that, drag it carefully to the full screen and set the headphones and the font into those two lines so that it will appear perfect on phones, desktops and computer. After you have sized your font and the picture into those two lines, then click on the image and click on delete. And now give your font a color, a colorful color, so that it will look attractive. Then on the download option, click on download and select PNG. It will be the correct, and click on download. When you click on download, after it get downloaded, you will get this banner into your computer. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.